day campers. We have a treat for you. We were going to show you some birds and we happened to find a black rat snake. So black rat snakes are pretty special snakes. They are excellent tree climbers, and once we get them up in the air in a minute, I will show you the shape of his body. So if you guys have ever pet a boa constrictor or another sort of constrictor snake, their body is shaped like a square. This guy, can you hold him up? This guy, his body, this body is shaped like a triangle. So what he'll do is he'll use his abs right here. It's very triangular shaped. He'll use these really strong abs and these long scales that are wide to grip a tree, and he can just wiggle up trees, because in the spring and early summer he especially likes to get into birds' nests and eat eggs and young birds. They'll also eat all kinds of small mammals. So if you have mice, you definitely want to hope to have snakes outside of your house. So if you look at this guy, as he gets older, he'll become all black, but you can still see he's fairly young and has a little bit of a meloded pattern to his back. So go ahead and we're going to release him. Guys.
Be careful. Be careful when
He was coming back at me.
He's fine.
Holy cow. I want to follow him.
Snakes are really, really awesome animals. They do a lot of good in nature. There is absolutely no reason to be afraid of them. Snakes are not slimy. They actually produce an oil in between their scales to keep their scales from rubbing. So after you wash a snake, you should definitely, touch a snake, you should definitely wash your hands. But they have a little oil that lubricates their scales. And I'm so happy that we saw him. He was adorable.